Ready to ditch boring videos and create captivating stories using just your imagination and Leonardo AI? Let's dive in. First, nail down your storyboard key scenes. Like our hero entering a mystical forest, a basic sketch is all you need to visualize the flow. Next, head to Leonardo AI, use your storyboard to craft detailed prompts for our forest scene. Try something like, a lone warrior enters a dense, ancient forest, cinematic lighting, fantasy art. Experiment with styles to get the perfect look. Leonardo AI will generate multiple options. Pick the one closest to your vision. Don't be afraid to tweak your prompt and regenerate until you're satisfied. Now, let's bring it to life. You can use external tools to add subtle animations. Think of a character's cape flowing, or leaves falling. These small details make a big difference. Finally, stitch everything together in a video editor. Add music, sound effects, and transitions to create a cohesive flow. Don't forget to color grade your scenes to maintain a consistent look. And there you have it. From storyboard to final cut, you've harnessed the power of Leonardo AI to craft a stunning video. Now go out there and unleash your creativity. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI video tips.